my kitchen. My name's Benji. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. This was originally based on a paleo recipe made with healthy, gluten-free ingredients like here. But some may say it's too healthy. So we're sharing you a family secret recipe to make it delicious and popular. The secret ingredient is Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. Now that the butter is melted, we're going to pour in the coconut oil. Mix time. Taste test. It's pure awesomeness. It's a galaxy of flavors. It's crunchy outside and melty inside.